The YIHUA 853D Soldering Station Bundle offers a comprehensive solution for soldering, desoldering, rework, testing, and powering tasks, making it a versatile tool for electronics enthusiasts. This bundle includes a full-size electronic repair mat, which is heat-resistant and helps organize your workspace with component slots and rulers. Equipped with a 3-in-1 station, the YIHUA 853D supports hot air, soldering, and power supply functions with temperature stabilization, ensuring consistent performance. The package comes with a variety of essential accessories, including lead-free solder wire, assorted iron tips, hot air nozzles, and an ESD-safe tweezers, providing everything you need right out of the box. YIHUA ensures peace of mind with a 12-month U.S. exclusive technical coverage and around-the-clock professional assistance, highlighting their commitment to customer service. Designed for U.S. standard power, this soldering station operates on 110 to 127 volts, making it suitable for North American electrical systems.